Hey, welcome back to Bite Size Media Making with CME. I'm Cindy Candelario, your host. If you are a graphic mogul like me and you love to figure out what kind of graphics you can add onto your videos, I have a super pro tip for you that allows you to multiply the amount of graphic transitions that DaVinci Resolve offers by just knowing this quick secret. Let's get into it. Are you looking to add some super fun, funky background to your text or your videos for that extra pop? DaVinci Resolve offers quite a couple options and a couple hidden ones. So what we would do to get to our background additions, we'd go from the Edit tab into Effects, and we'd go down to Generators. And here is a drop-down option of a couple different things we could utilize to add background to text or our videos. If you take the solid color in Generators, open up your inspector and switch that color up. You can change it to any color you'd like. Click that OK, and here you have a solid color background. You could even take some of these funkier options to add some depth, like that TV static one, or this 4-color gradient to create an extra look. Super amazing pieces that DaVinci offers. Now, these fusion generators. The main difference between a regular generator and a fusion generator is that the fusion generators often are motion graphic. So there's movement attached to them. DaVinci shows contours, noise gradient, paper, and textured background. Now, if you pulled a fusion generator, but you don't see the movement happening, you want to make sure your textured background clip is selected, and in Inspector, you're going to go to seethe rate and bring that seethe rate up a little from 0. Now, you'll see that movement come in and create that motion graphic effect. So DaVinci offers these 4 fusion generators that allow you to add moving graphic to the back of your text. But there's a pro tip here. Come, get a little closer. Pro tip time. If you go into the fusion generator, in Inspector, you'll notice that underneath its title, there's versions. And here we're in version 1. But if I were to click version 2, that's a completely different look. If I bring that seethe rate up, completely different motion graphic. If I switch over to version 3, bring that seethe rate up, a completely different look, a different motion graphic. Version 4, seethe rate up. Version 5, seethe rate up. And version 6, all completely separate looks, completely separate motion graphic fusion generators, but you have 5 extra within versions within one of the fusion generators showed. So within textured background, we have a total of 6 separate versions of these graphic effects. And that goes for each one of the 4 fusion generators applied. Here you have your noise gradient. But if we select noise gradient and switch versions, whoa, completely separate graphic effect. Version 3, 4, 5. And if you find that they're not moving, make sure you bring that seethe rate, that movement rate up. And 6. All completely separate looks, completely separate graphic motion to your videos. If you go into gradient, you can change colors for almost each one as well. And that creates a total of not just 4, but actually 24 total options for motion graphics within DaVinci. We hope that was a super helpful bite-sized media making tip. Please like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next episode.